Hi there and welcome to Getting Started with Life's Super App. In this video we're going to go through the first two steps, registration and then downloading your app from the actual App Store. First things first, receive the link via text from the person who's inviting you. Once you open that link, you are going to get to what we call a customer page. This is a registration page that connects everybody together via the organization and or the personal invite. And on this registration form, you're going to have 4 steps. The first one being your personal information. And when you get to this step, make sure that the name that you put down is exactly the name that's on your ID. We're going to need that for later. Put an email that you have that's easily accessible, that you already know the password and username to get into. And then create a username and a password that's still unique to you but isn't so crazy and off the charts. Make it simple and easy. The second page, once you get through your personal information, you'll click Next down at the bottom right hand corner and you'll get to the product page. That's already default in the Super App position, so just click Next there. You don't have to do anything and that'll take you to the billing information. When you get to this page, make sure that you put in your state. It's right underneath the country, which is already defaulted to the United States. Put in your state and then put in the credit card type first. So if it's a Visa or a Visa debit, make sure to demarcate that first. Then you can put in your card number and everything accordingly. And then there's a little square and it says store credit card. Click that square. We're gonna need that later on in the process. Then click Next and you're going to get to the summary page. Here, if there's anything that you've missed, there should be a prompting in a red box that says go back and do XYZ. If you're good to go, you should see the cost, you should see the tax on there and the final bill, and then you'll press enroll. And you're going to see congratulations, you're enrolled. Then what comes after that is now you will exit that link altogether, go to either your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, and you're going to type in Life Info App. 3 words, L-I-F-E space I-N-F-O space A-P-P. You'll probably see it automatic generate in there. Click on it and you'll see the red icon with the white L, almost like our Swish. And so when you click on that, go through the necessary proceedings for you to download that app, and you are ready to get set up and use this Life app. So in the next video, we're gonna walk through signing in, verifying, putting your payment information so that you have the Life Super App at your fingertips.